Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and today we are unboxing our spring FabFitFun box. Whenever I think about spring, I think about Easter. I know not everybody celebrates Easter, so I've got my Easter colors on today, and I'm ready to get on into this bad boy because it almost did not get here. Yeah, those of you guys on Instagram know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so... Welcome back, you guys, and as I said, we are going to be unboxing our spring 2019 FabFitFun box. And I think I'm like extra excited about unboxing this box, like not just because FedEx almost lost it or did lose it and I almost didn't get it, but because I literally have no clue what's in this box. Like, I did not pick any of the items in this box. Like, normally you can pick some of the items in there and you have choices. Like, I didn't have time to do any of that because, like, you know, being a mom of an infant is like full-time, like, and then some. It's like a 90-an-hour-a-week job times 10. Like, there's not even that many hours in a week, but you got to deal with it anyways. Anywho, so yeah, I have no clue what's in this box. I haven't had time to watch any spoilers, anything. I don't have no clue. So without further ado, let's open her on up. Oh wow, I like am like opening it upside down. That is probably not gonna work. Anywho, so yeah, a little bit about FabFitFun. It's amazing. It's probably one of my favorite subscriptions. It's a seasonal subscription. It's $49.99. If you've never subscribed before, I will put a link down below to give you, I think, $10 off or 20% off or something like that. And I also think I have 3 free boxes to send to somebody. So all you have to do is pay $5 shipping and handling, and you get like a free box with, like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 items in it. So it's a pretty good deal, $5. And then if you don't want it anymore, then you just cancel it and move on. So anyways, if you're interested in that, definitely send me an email. I will put my email down below. Moving on, so when you open up the FabFitFun box, like I showed you the inside, and they put this little pamphlet thingy, which tells you like all about what's in the box and what your different choices are and stuff like that. You guys know the deal. Anyways, so wow, I'm like already looking and I'm like, this may be an interesting box. So let's see what's in here. Oh wow. Okay, so the first thing I see, of course, they're gonna send me a jump rope, which I guess is okay because, again, I just had a baby and I need to start working out again. As soon as my doctor clears me, that is. So this might be helpful, although I don't think I've jumped rope since I was like, I don't know, in elementary school. Moving on. Next thing here, oh, by the way, just to let you know how much that was. I have no idea where it even is. Oh, jump rope was $15. I guess it's not bad out of the other 2 things I could have gotten. Anyways, next item, Dr. Brandt, needles no more baggage, eye depuffing gel. Well, here's what's funny about this. I've actually gotten this in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. Wasn't a big fan of it myself personally, but I know a lot of other people really loved it. It is $42, so throwing that out there to you guys. Next is the Levito Inspired by Nature Mandarin Orange and Bergamot Aromatic Body Lotion. Mandarin Orange. I'm not a fan of orange smells. I don't even know if I want to open this because, again, I'm not a fan of orange smells. Okay, I'm not going to open it because I might give this to somebody. Let's see. This right here retails for $19. You could have got that or copper-plated measuring spoons or a mystery item. So, yeah, I guess I'm glad I got the lotion. Anyways, moving right along. We got the Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner, and I think everybody got this item along with the Dr. Brandt. Everybody got the Dr. Brandt. Everybody got the Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. Way Hair Care is actually really, really good. So I am excited to get this. And this retails for $26. Moving right along. What else do we got? we got the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Okay, where did this come from? Oh, okay. So you could have got a necklace or a sip and swell. I got the powder. This was not an item I could have chosen, but unless you're like a yearly subscriber, then you could have chosen which item you got. So yeah, I've never tried Ciate London's translucent powder before. The packaging is really pretty, like really, really pretty. I like just fingerprinted it all up, but it's really pretty. Let's see. Can I open it? I don't think I can open it. Okay, I'm not gonna like sit here and fool with it. Oh, there's a little sticker inside. Duh. There's a little sticker thing inside. That's probably why I couldn't open it. Anyways, moving on, we know what a translucent powder is, so I'll let you guys know how I like and or don't like this. All right, next. Let's see. This. I've heard about this. This is the only thing that I actually have heard about, and it's because Jen Loves gave like a really not so great review of this. So this is the other third item that everybody got. So it's the Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub, formulated with charcoal and dead sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. And I can't remember what it was that she said that like made this not so great, but I'm like not even gonna open it completely because I remember there was something she was saying about this and I'm like, okay, if I ever get that, I'm not. So I think I'm gonna double check, but I'm pretty sure this is what she gave a bad review of. It was like yeah. So anyways, I guess I'll look into that. I'll let you guys know down below when I figure it out, okay? So anywho, moving right along. Let's see, what do we got next? What is this? What is this? Like really, what is this? A Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. So this is what happens when you don't have time to choose what items you get the items that nobody else wants. So it was a choice between sunglasses, a picnic set in Malibu, or Chorus Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Gel. So this was literally the cheapest out of all of the items. It retails for $30. And again, I'm not going to open it because this is probably something I could give to somebody because I don't really have time to go on picnics. I'm a new mom. Like, really. I have no time for none of that. Now this looks nice. What is this? Show me your moo-moo. Really? Tell me they sent me a moo-moo. Like, I could have used this about 2 months ago when I was 9 months and fat and pregnant. Oh, okay, it's a robe. It's a robe. It's a robe. Okay, it's Show Me Your Moo-Moo Brie robe. Just stepped out of the shower, planning a day of lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem, and it retails for $84. And you could have got this, a deluxe demi backpack, or an unplugged meditation aromatherapy diffuser. And this was the most expensive out of the 3 items, so I guess it kind of evens out. And I'm actually kind of excited to get this because I actually need a robe. So we're gonna open this. I need a summer robe. So let's see what the deal is here. Okay, I kind of, for some odd reason, like was catching the smell, but maybe it's something else in this box. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Let's stand up here. Let's put it on. So I will say this, the material, like, I mean, I'm sure you can see my gray shirt or dress through it, right? So like for $84, I would kind of expect something a little, I don't know, thicker maybe. I mean, it's nice. It's not super long either. I think maybe, I mean, like, this is not something you want to, like, put on after you get out of the shower and go check the mail. You know what I'm saying? So, but, yeah, I don't see this being worth $84. I guess that's kind of why I like FabFitFun, because, you know, you get like this high-priced, expensive stuff. Is that everything in the box? Yeah, that's everything. Hey, normally they send like a, you know, I don't know, sponsored something or other, but I guess no. No sponsored, nothing. So, yeah, that's all the items. I'm kind of not impressed with this box, you guys. Like, it's not my favorite FabFitFun box, honestly. I like the robe, it's okay. I definitely don't see this being worth $84. I like the Way Leave-In Conditioner, the Dr. Brandt. I wasn't really a fan of that, but my girlfriend likes this, or my neighbor, girlfriend, neighbor, all the same. She liked it a lot, so that's gonna go to her. The jump rope, yeah, I need to exercise. I got it. Okay. So, you know, the picnic set, it's got, let's see, 2 cutlery sets, forks, knives, spoons, 2 plates. I mean, you know, it would be cute if it was just like me and Steve, but since we have 3 kids, like, this is absolutely useless. And yeah, we don't ever have time to go on picnics. We got a newborn, so yeah, not digging on that, I guess. And I don't know about the lotion because I'm not a big fan of mandarin or orange. Don't like the smell of either one of those. Let's see, the Ciate London translucent powder. This might be okay depending on whether or not it has talc in it. So I guess I'm gonna have to look up the ingredients of this, because if it's got talc in it, I can't use it because it's, and you know, if you guys don't know, talc powders are like very, very drying. If you have very dry skin, it just like creases your makeup and dries you out and shows your pores and all that stuff. So if this doesn't have talc in it though, this might be a good thing. So I'm gonna have to look up the ingredients on this. I will let you know if I find out this has talc in it or not. And then this right here, yeah, like I said, I'm pretty sure there was something about this that Jen loved, and I don't listen to everything that she says, but there was something about this where I was like, oh yeah, I don't want to touch that. So yeah, I'm gonna look into this a little more. I'm not gonna open it until I do. And then if I find out that this is what that I'm thinking of that it is, then yeah, this is gonna be given away too. So yeah, out of everything, I'm not, you know, I would rather have the sunglasses than the picnic set, but again, it's my own fault. I've been too busy, you know, have nobody else to blame but myself for this. You know, Sip and Swell, Cadence would have taken if I would have gotten that. I mean, like, honestly, overall, like, the choices that there are in there, I'm like, I don't know if I would have chosen the other items. Honestly, like, out of the, I think this is the one box that I'm like, okay, I'm not super mad that I didn't have time to pick my choices, because the choices weren't great. You know what I'm saying? It's like sunglasses, picnic set, sleeping facial gel. You know, it's like, eh. So, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Not my favorite FabFitFun box, honestly. Although I do love FabFitFun, so I don't want to like talk too bad about them because I do love them, but it's not my favorite box. So yeah. Anyways, so that's all I've got for you guys today. I do have another unboxing video that I will be showing you guys tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. And if you're interested in any more videos, I will put some up here at the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to do so. You can definitely check me out on Instagram at The Not So Evil Stepmother. Love you guys. Bye.